Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make croissant toast using an easy method. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need some day-old croissants, a couple of eggs, a splash of milk, a little sugar, and some butter for cooking. Slicing the croissants lengthwise helps them absorb the custard evenly. Whisk together your eggs, milk, and sugar in a shallow dish, creating a delicious base for our toast. Now for the fun part. Take each croissant half and gently dip it into your prepared egg mixture. Make sure both sides are nicely coated, but don't let them soak too long, or they might become too soft. Once your pan is warm, add about 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. This will give our croissant toast a beautiful golden brown crust. Carefully place your custard-soaked croissant halves into the hot, buttered pan. You'll want to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they achieve a lovely golden brown color and are slightly crispy. Keep an eye on the heat. You might need to adjust it to ensure they cook through without burning. The aroma filling your kitchen will be incredible. Once your croissant toast is perfectly golden and cooked, transfer it to a plate. It's best enjoyed warm, right off the pan. You can top it with your favorite fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dusting of powdered sugar for an extra touch of sweetness. This easy method transforms simple croissants into a truly delightful and impressive breakfast or brunch treat. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.